Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Well guys, in this video, I'm going to give you guys a Bitcoin update. Let you guys know what the CPI and PPI were. And also give you guys a little bit of an XRP analysis, guys. Because XRP is moving now and we need to analyze it, see what the next move is. Let's start off with the bubbles. I like to start off with the bubbles, see how the day is. Looks like it's a red day. Most of the bubbles are red, except XRP. It's up 13.8% for the day, and its little brother XLM is 5% up for the day. We got HBAR up at 10.4% a day, and Crow is up 5% for the day, guys. So yeah, guys, definitely stay bullish. Just because we're having a correction doesn't mean that the bull run is over. It's just normal. Around this time of the parabolic phase, we're gonna get big runs up, and we're gonna get big corrections too, guys. The nearest biggest correction is gonna be in the end of November, like I said yesterday in my video. But I'll go over it today again in case you missed it. Um, yeah, let me look at Peanut. See, Peanut was up like like 50% or 80% yesterday. Told you guys it was gonna go down. Told you it'd be a good buy somewhere in the 150s. It did get as low as like 157. Um, but hopefully you guys picked up some Peanut on the dip, guys, because I think it's just consolidating up to the next leg up. It did get as high as like $2 and like 18 cents, I believe. Um, yep, $2.17. So yeah, hopefully you guys pick some up right now, 'cause it's probably getting ready for the next leg up, guys. If you guys like meme coins and Peanut, it's a brand new meme coin, and usually investors like shiny new coins. So I think Peanut's gonna run hard here in the next few days, guys. As soon as Bitcoin starts moving again. All right, let's get right into Bitcoin, guys. Let me pull up the chart real quick. Current price of Bitcoin as we speak is 87,952. We did correct from 93,495 is the current all-time high. Like I've been saying in my videos, my next price target is 94,000. We gotta break that 94,000. Once we go above 94,000, the next price target after that is 98,000, guys. But yeah, right now we gotta beat 94,000. But even though we're having a correction, the trading day for November 14 was very bearish. It was red. Went all the way down to 86,600. But the trend is still up, guys. The chart is still very bullish, and it doesn't matter what the news or the media is saying. Always look at the chart, guys. The chart will tell you what's really gonna happen in Bitcoin and what's going on. And right now, this chart is telling me that it is bullish and that the trend is up. So we gotta keep trading with the trend, because the trend is your friend until the end, guys. Ever since the Black Monday low of 49,000 on August 5th, the trend has been bullish. We've been making nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And even now that it started going parabolic, we're still making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We made this higher high here at 90,000, 89,400. We made this higher low at 84,600. And then we made this the last high of 93,495, and we're making a higher low at 86,682, guys. So that's probably the local low, guys. It probably won't go under $86,000 anymore. So we're probably gonna make another higher high here pretty soon, guys. That's what history shows in the data, and usually history tends to repeat, guys. So definitely stay bullish in the market and stay bullish on Bitcoin, guys. So again, guys, the next price target to go over is 94,000, and then 98,000 after that. And if you missed my video yesterday, I did show. Take a look at my yesterday's video, Bitcoin update. I think I also went over XRP and XLM, I believe. But yeah, take a look at it was the Bitcoin update and the Robinhood listing and Coinbase listing. Basically, the previous video before this, I showed how analysis how I believe Bitcoin's gonna run hard until November 29, because that's what it's done in the previous cycles. Once it starts mooning after the elections, it runs hard for about 23 days, and then it usually does at 100% move, and then before the the first big correction, about 20-30%. So yeah, I do expect Bitcoin to keep rallying up until like around November 29. Give or take a few days. Might be November 30th, November 28th, or maybe even December 1st or 2nd. But right around November 29th, we should see a local top of Bitcoin. And if history repeats, the price is let's see, the on November 5th, the price was right around like 70,000. So we might get as high as like like 140,000, give or take a few thousand. But definitely for sure over 100,000. I expect over 100,000 Bitcoin by November 29, guys. Maybe even over 120, guys. So definitely remain bullish on Bitcoin. Once we get to the end of November, around November 29, then I am going to see a correction somewhere between like a 20-30% correction, maybe even a 35% correction, but probably right around 20 to 30% correction. And then, it'll go down for like a couple weeks, and then it'll recover, consolidate a little bit, and then it'll go for the next leg up, guys. So yeah, remain bullish on Bitcoin, guys. It should be a bullish until like November 29 before we see a big correction. Of course, it's not going to go in a straight line up. We are going to see red days like we have here on November 12th and November 14th, but it's just going to bounce back, guys. We're going to keep bouncing up right now. Every dip on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is the best time to buy the dip, guys. Buy the dip, every dip you get if you have dry powder on the side, because we are going to rally. We're going to keep rallying until 2025. So right now is the time to buy every dip, guys, because we're probably not going to see these prices on Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrencies until the next bear market, guys. So definitely stay convicted in the market and remain bullish, guys. All right. Before I get into the XRP analysis, let's go over some quick news. It looks like the interest rates are important for Bitcoiners and crypto investors. The U.S. The CPI came out. It looks like the CPI, it came out for October. It was 315.66 points. And in September it was 315.30, so it was basically about the same. So it basically increased 2.6% in October from 2.4% in September. So it's pretty much expected. That's what the investors expected. So that's why we didn't see much movement when the CPI came out. I believe yesterday, and then the core CPI. I believe. Let's see what the core CPI was. Right, so I got it right here. The core CPI, was 2.3 year over year, and the previous was 2.4. So it's right around the same, guys. So everything's kind of expected, like the market was expecting it. The only thing is that the PPI was 2.4, increase, and everybody was expecting around 2.3%, so it was a little bit more, just 0.1%, but that usually scares investors out of the market for some reason. It doesn't scare me, but some investors get scared, so that's why we're seeing Bitcoin stop for a little bit. And it's also Jerome Powell came out today. He said that he's casting doubts over if he's going to cut interest rates in December or not. I personally think he's just going to pause in December. I think the 18th of December is when he announces if he's going to cut rates or pause. But it doesn't really matter, guys. It doesn't really matter if he cuts rates or not, or pauses. I mean, this is the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency cycle. Don't listen to the news. Don't listen to the media out there, the news. Oh, they're gonna cut rates. They're not gonna cut rates. It doesn't matter, guys. In the past cycles, even if they increase rates, the markets still go up, guys. So the markets go up even if they increase rates or if they cut rates or if they pause. It just depends on their cycle, guys. And right now, Bitcoin is in its parabolic bull run cycle in the beginning. You guys have seen nothing yet. It's just starting. And I believe the altcoin season is right around the corner too, probably anywhere between like 2 weeks to a month. When Bitcoin process, probably after November 29, after it crashes, and after 2 weeks it goes into consolidation. That's when we'll see the altcoin season. So probably we're gonna get an altcoin season sometime around mid-December. So we might see a awesome Christmas rally, guys. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about the CPI and PPI. Now let's get into XRP, guys. Since XRP is one of the channel's favorites, wanted to go over a little bit, to kind of guide you guys, because I mean, everybody's loves XRP. I love XRP, and its little brother XLM too. So the current price of XRP right now is 79 cents. It did get as high as 85 cents. Earlier today, and right now, it's corrected all the way down to like 77 cents. But it has gone up a little bit to 79 cents. At the time of recording right now, it's 79 cents. So yep, XRP is also making higher highs and higher lows, guys, ever since it started mooning in the election days. So I mean, the trend is up for XRP, so we got to trade with the trend on XRP, because the trend is our friend until the end, guys. Looks like XRP is starting its parabolic bull run too. It's a little bit slower. In November 4th, right before the election, it was at 49 cents. And it's already gone up, over 50% to 85 cents at the local top. And right now it's about 50% from the local low of before the election, November 4th, guys. So definitely XRP starting to moon. Now I want to show you, guys, on the previous cycle in XRP. This is the 2020 and 2021 bull run cycle for XRP. I believe the XRP price is kind of mimicking the 2020 and 2021 bull run cycle. See, if you look at here, the elections, it started mooning in the elections November 5th too, just like this year, 2024. So, it started going up. It has some red days like XRP too, but it basically mooned from November 5th all the way up to the date was November 24th. So basically, I do see XRP mooning, basically until like Bitcoin starts correcting. It might not be exactly November 24th. I think it's gonna start correcting. XRP is gonna start correcting somewhere around November 29. Once Bitcoin starts correcting as well. That's when Bitcoin is gonna do its 20 to 30% correction. Right now, it's been making like 2%, 3%, 5% corrections. Nothing major, just a few dips. Like 7% corrections, but at the most. But once November 2029 hits, right around there, could be a few days before or after, Bitcoin's gonna do like a 20 to 30% correction, and that's when I think XRP is also gonna start correcting, guys. See, I was trying to show you guys here. See, it started mooning since November 5th, and it went all the way up to let's see, it was around like 22 cents, and it went all the way up to like 82 cents. So basically, it did like like a 3x. So XRP was around 50 cents. So XRP might be about $1.50. By the end of November. So expect around a 3x around by the end of November for XRP. It might be around $1.50, guys. But then look, it started correcting hard. On the 2020-2021 cycle, it's corrected after it went up, for about 3 weeks. It corrected, from 82 cents all the way down. It corrected to 17 cents. So it actually went under, the price. This is what XRP does. It's a great trader's coin. It goes up hard and then it crashes hard, guys. So that's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand. XRP rallies hard, but then it crashes hard, guys. And but I do think it is going to go into price discovery this time, because I believe once Donald Trump takes office, the SEC cases are going to be like settled. Like the XRP court cases are either going to be settled or dropped. Because probably Gary Gensler is going to resign or get fired, one or the other. He's probably going to resign because I believe the president can actually fire the SEC chair. But I mean, Gary Gensler will probably resign, because on past occasions, every time there's a new president, the SEC chair always resigns. So hopefully Gensler does the same thing. Usually history repeats, so he probably will resign, guys. So yeah, guys. So XRP is going to moon hard to about $1.50 by the end of November, but then it's going to crash hard, guys. let's see, from the previous cycle, it took, let's see how long. It took about a month. It took about a month to crash hard, to make the local low, and then it started, rallying up again. So we might expect something like this for XRP. This is what it does. It rallies hard and it crashes hard. It's a great trader's coin. If you're able to, buy the lows and sell the tops, that's pretty good if you're able to do that, guys. So if you want to do something like that, expect the top at the end of November, 29th, and then expect a low, probably like in 3 to 4 weeks, sometime in December. But then I do by Christmas, I do believe we're gonna start rallying again, and it's gonna go on its rally again. See, this time on the 2020-2021 cycle, it rallied all the way up to April 14 of 2021 to like $2, and then that was its top right there. But it got cut short because of the SEC case, guys. So I think this time, it's gonna it's gonna blast way past $2, guys. So I do whatever top, I do see a top coming in for XRP sometime in like either March or April. It could be like mid March to like mid April. So definitely I expect the top to come in in XRP. Might be around like $10 or something like that, because I do think XRP is gonna moon hard as soon as Gary Gensler resigns or the court case is settled. I don't know how high it's gonna get, guys, but if you saw my price prediction videos, check it out. I go over my price prediction videos, but basically I'll just summarize it right now. I think XRP could get at least bearish case scenario is at least to its previous all-time high of $3.35 that it made in December 2017. But I realistically see it topping off right around like $15, guys. I do see XRP topping off around $15 around sometime in April. It could be mid-March to like April 15, right around there. Because I don't have a crystal ball. This is just what my analysis is saying, my research. But it usually crashes from there. But I have a feeling, since the court case is going to be settled, and also because we're at the end of the 18.6 economic and real estate cycle, I think we're going to have a blow off top on a lot of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, guys. So I'm thinking that sometime either March or April, when XRP tops off, it's going to do a correction, because that's what it always does. Rallies hard and then it corrects hard. But I think it might have like a double top. Like we see right here in the 2021 cycle, it attempted, it crashed hard after it made a top in April, and consolidated, and it attempted to make a new all-time high, but it didn't, because it was being suppressed by Gary Gensler and the SEC. Whoops. It was being suppressed by Gary Gensler and the SEC. So it only it didn't make a new high. It only got to $1.45. But I think this time, it might make a new high and have like a double top, guys. It's gonna, or not like a double top. I think it'll surpass its top it makes in March or April. I'm thinking that this time around XRP is gonna it's gonna top sometime when Bitcoin is gonna top off with Bitcoin, and I do believe Bitcoin is gonna top off in September 2025. That's when I think the Bitcoin top is gonna come in, somewhere between 150K and 250K. Is my view. Check out my Bitcoin price prediction. I have a video on it in my channel if you guys wanna get more detail on it. But I do think XRP is gonna top off in September 2025 with Bitcoin, just because I believe the court case is going to get settled. Gary Gensler is not going to be around, and it is the end of the 18.6 economic and real estate cycle, and basically we have a blow off top before a hard crash. So that's what I think, guys. And if you guys want to see my price prediction video, I do see realistically speaking, XRP topping off around $15. But if Bitcoin does get over 250K, it has like a massive rally. If it does go over 250, if it reaches 250K or above, I do see XRP mooning to around like $24, guys. That's where I see XRP topping off. If we have like a blow off top, like like massive bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies if Bitcoin gets over 250K or higher, guys. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I just wanted to share my XRP analysis with you guys. Basically, what I want you to take from this is XRP rallies hard and then it crashes hard. See, it rallies hard and crashes hard and then it rallies again. That's what XRP does, guys. If you're able to trade that, that's pretty good. But if you're a beginner or you don't know how to trade that good, then just hold. Like what I'm planning to do it, like what I would do, if I was a beginner, I would hold all my XRP to like sometime in March or April when I see some good price targets, anywhere near $15, maybe even $10. I mean, you don't want to get greedy. Anywhere between like $10, $15, I would sell like half my coins sometime in March or April when that top comes in. And then, I would save another half to see if it gets to higher prices sometime in September when Bitcoin tops off September 2025, guys. And then if it does reach higher highs, higher prices, then I would definitely sell all my XRP sometime by September 2025, give or take a month, maybe in August 2025 or October 2025. Like I said, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. But that's just what I'm doing, guys. That's I've been researching and studying charts for the last 3 years. So you guys do you, but that's what I plan on doing, guys. Just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys. Hopefully, helped you out. In case you're new in cryptocurrencies, just watch out. There's a lot of volatility in the bull run. There's gonna be big rallies, and there's gonna be big crashes. Just don't get shaken out when we crash. Just look at the time. Like I said for XRP, sometime in April. In April is when you want to sell, guys. That's when you want to sell is in March or April when you hit price targets. I would set limit orders somewhere between like $10 to $15 in March or April. And then at least sell like some of your coins, sell something. That way you lock in some profits. It's good. It's good to huddle, but you want to make profits too, though. That's the name of the game because we don't know. XRP crashes hard, so it might crash hard again. You don't want to lose out on profits, guys. All right, guys. Just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys. Hopefully, you guys liked the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.